How to turn on pre-registration notification on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pre-registration notification on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here to go to settings, and then you need to click settings, and now click general, and then notifications. And now all you need to do is just find this one, pre-registration. Click on it. As you see, pre-registration has been turned on, and you can turn it off again if you want. Just click here and then click on it, and as you see, pre-registration has been turned off. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.